Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Nokia C31. And to do this you will need to open a Google Play Store. Here in search enter Firefox. Now select it and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it. Now choose your theme for the browser, pick your toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, switch between privacy protection settings and read the privacy notice. Finally, let's click on start browsing and open any website. And as you can see, the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.